Hello, Richard here from Eagle 6 Airsoft. We are going to be testing this TM USP AEP. So this came in for a non-feeding fault. So we investigated, and there was correct movement on the nozzles, correct movement on the cam, and technically correct movement on the tappet plate. But for some reason, it was showing it was just not feeding. So we replaced the tappet plate, assuming that there's some sort of wear that's imperceptible or subtle, and with a 9-ball reinforced tappet plate, and it's restored feeding. So we're going to have to assume that was the issue. So obviously gun back to feeding. Obviously it's quite low FPS on these guns, so we're going to be testing on some .2s, and that's our recommended ammo for this gun. I think at the FPS that we measured it at, which is 220, I wouldn't recommend using any heavier ammo than that. And obviously upgrades in the long term, brought back a lot of nostalgia for me, working on these. I haven't worked on them for many years, there's lots that can be done. Quite a difficult gun to work on. I was somewhat reluctant to go in there, but we did it, got it done, and like I say, all back together again. Obviously we were in there. We could have potentially done upgrades, but it's quite complicated when you've got a non-working gun to then try and upgrade a non-working one. It's sometimes better to fix the problems, then get a working gun, and then obviously try and upgrade that just in case you add problems when upgrading these things. So obviously, would it be nice this shooting a lot more FPS? Yes, it would. We've still got to develop a kit and a package for these. It's just we never seem to have the time to be able to do that. But maybe down the road we'll be able to get a package going for these. So, I just want to demonstrate it working. I've got the Lipo 7.4 installed at the moment. So all working and feeding again. So there you go. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.